Imagine a world where everyone feels connected and unified. Learn how the law of unity transform your relationships and foster a sense of belonging. Welcome to Vortex Tribe, where we journey into the heart of consciousness, energy, and universal truths. The law of unity emphasizes that we are all interconnected and part of a larger whole. It teaches that recognizing our unity with others and the universe can lead to greater harmony, compassion, and collective growth. By embracing the oneness of all existence, we can create a more cohesive and supportive environment for ourselves and others. Interconnectedness. The law of unity highlights the interdependence of all beings. Every action we take affects the whole, and understanding this interconnectedness fosters a sense of responsibility and empathy. It emphasizes that our lives are woven into a vast web where each strand influences the others, promoting a deep sense of community and mutual care. Collective growth. When we work together in unity, we can achieve greater progress and success. Collective efforts lead to shared growth and enhanced well-being for everyone involved. This principle underscores the power of teamwork and collaboration in achieving common goals and creating a thriving, supportive community. Compassion and empathy. Unity encourages us to develop compassion and empathy towards others. Recognizing that we are all part of the same whole promotes understanding and kindness. By seeing ourselves in others, we become more inclined to act with generosity and love, fostering a culture of empathy and care. Holistic perspective, embracing unity, helps us see the bigger picture. It encourages us to look beyond individual differences and focus on our commonalities and shared goals. This broader perspective allows us to appreciate the diversity within unity, recognizing that our differences contribute to a richer, more vibrant whole. Collaboration and teamwork. The law of unity underscores the importance of collaboration and teamwork. Working together harmoniously allows us to leverage each other's strengths and achieve collective success. This principle highlights the synergy that comes from unity, where the combined efforts of many can accomplish more than individual efforts alone. Eastern philosophies. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the concept of unity is central. Hindu teachings emphasize the idea of Brahman, the ultimate reality that unites all beings. Buddhism teaches the principle of interdependence, where all phenomena are interconnected. These philosophies highlight the oneness of all existence and the importance of living in harmony with this universal truth. Western philosophies. The ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus believed in the unity of opposites and the interconnectedness of all things. Plato discussed the concept of the one or the good, emphasizing it as the ultimate source of all existence. These teachings underscore the belief that unity and harmony are fundamental to understanding the nature of reality and our place within it. Modern thought. Contemporary thinkers and spiritual leaders emphasize the importance of unity for global peace and harmony. The concept of unity is often explored in psychology, sociology, and environmental studies, highlighting its relevance in various fields. Modern discussions on unity focus on its potential to solve global challenges, promote sustainable development, and foster a sense of global citizenship. Thich Nhat Hanh. The Vietnamese Zen master teaches about interbeing, the interconnectedness of all things, and the importance of unity for achieving inner peace and harmony. His teachings encourage mindfulness and compassion, recognizing that our well-being is deeply connected to the well-being of others and the planet. Martin Luther King Jr. King's vision of a beloved community emphasizes the power of unity and love in overcoming social injustices and creating a harmonious society. He believed that unity and cooperation are essential for achieving true justice and equality. Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi's principle of nonviolence, ahimsa, is rooted in the understanding of unity and interconnectedness. He believed that recognizing our oneness can lead to a more peaceful and just world. Gandhi's teachings highlight the transformative power of seeing others as part of ourselves. Lao Tzu. In the Tao Te Ching, Lao Tzu speaks about the unity of all things through the Tao, the fundamental principle that connects everything in the universe. His teachings encourage living in harmony with the natural order and recognizing the interconnectedness of all life. Chief Seattle. The Native American leader's speeches often highlighted the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of living in harmony with nature and each other. His wisdom emphasizes the sacred bond that connects all living beings and the responsibility we share to care for our planet and each other. The law of unity is significant because it fosters a sense of belonging and interconnectedness. By integrating this law, we can create a more compassionate and harmonious world. Understanding and applying the law of unity can lead to profound improvements in one's life. Here are a few ways it can make a difference. Enhanced relationships. Recognizing our interconnectedness fosters empathy and understanding, leading to healthier and more supportive relationships. When we see others as part of ourselves, we naturally act with greater kindness and consideration. Greater compassion. Unity encourages us to show compassion and kindness towards others, enhancing our sense of community and collective well-being. This principle helps us build a world where empathy and care are foundational values. Collective success. Working together in unity allows us to achieve greater success and progress. Collective efforts lead to shared benefits and mutual growth. By collaborating, we can overcome challenges and create solutions that benefit everyone. Inner peace. Embracing the concept of unity helps us find inner peace and harmony by aligning with the natural flow of life. Recognizing that we are part of a larger whole can bring a sense of calm and contentment. Global harmony. Understanding and practicing unity can lead to a more peaceful and harmonious world, where differences are celebrated and conflicts are minimized. This principle can help us build a world where cooperation and mutual respect are the norms. Practical tips and exercises for integrating this law into daily routines. Practice empathy. Actively listen to others and try to understand their perspectives. Show empathy in your interactions and strive to build connections based on mutual respect and understanding. This practice can help create a more inclusive and supportive environment. Collaborate with others. Engage in collaborative projects and activities. Embrace teamwork and recognize the value of collective efforts in achieving common goals. Working together can lead to greater creativity and innovation. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness and meditation to cultivate a sense of inner peace and interconnectedness. Reflect on your connection with others and the universe. These practices can help you develop a deeper sense of unity and harmony. Individualism. Overcome the focus on individualism by recognizing the benefits of collective efforts and the strength in unity. Shift your mindset from me to we and embrace the power of collaboration. Conflict and division. Address conflicts and divisions by promoting understanding and dialogue. Focus on commonalities and shared goals rather than differences. This approach can help bridge gaps and foster a sense of unity. Isolation. Combat feelings of isolation by actively seeking connections and engaging in community activities. Foster a sense of belonging and unity in your surroundings. Building connections with others can create a supportive and nurturing environment. Daily reflection. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your connections with others and the impact of your actions on the collective whole. This practice can help you stay mindful of the interconnectedness of all life. Acts of kindness. Perform random acts of kindness to foster a sense of community and interconnectedness. Small gestures can create a ripple effect of positivity. Acts of kindness can strengthen bonds and promote a sense of unity. Unity affirmations. Incorporate affirmations that reinforce the concept of unity and interconnectedness into your daily routine. For example, I am connected to all beings, and we are stronger together. These affirmations can help cultivate a mindset of unity and collaboration. By incorporating even just one of these practices into your daily routine, you can begin to experience the profound impact of the law of unity in your life. It's about recognizing our interconnectedness and embracing the power of collective efforts. This shift in perspective not only enriches your personal experience, but also contributes to a more compassionate and harmonious world. By raising the collective consciousness, we can build a more compassionate and harmonious society, benefiting all beings and the planet as a whole. Before we get to the conclusion, if you are enjoying this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. It helps me more than you know. Today, we explored the law of unity, which emphasizes our interconnectedness and the importance of collaboration for collective growth and harmony. We defined the law, examined its historical and philosophical background, and discussed its significance in daily life. Practical tips and exercises were provided to help you integrate this law into your routine, fostering a sense of unity and compassion that can raise the collective consciousness. I encourage you to start integrating the law of unity into your life, even if it's just one small step at a time. Notice how your perspective shifts and how it influences your interactions and well-being. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any insights you gain along the way, so please share your journey in the comments below, especially if you have watched a few from this series. In our next video, it will be the first in the 20 additional laws for deeper understanding. We'll delve into the law of divine timing, which explores how everything happens in perfect timing. Subscribe for more educational content that helps to raise our collective consciousness. Until next time.